Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today 20th June 2025. Economic Outlook. Green Hydrogen Tracking. Government to trace green hydrogen use, aims global export partnership expansion. Iron ore price indexing. Iron ore prices may be benchmarked to S&P Platts for fairer trade. Rare earth incentives. India proposes 5,000 crore rupees incentives to boost rare earth magnet output. Legal developments. Justice Verma cash case. Impeachment justified as Justice Verma failed to explain unaccounted cash. Maran family dispute. Dayanidhi accuses brother Kalanithy of fraud, seeks son TV share restoration. Banking and finance. Big RBI relief. RBI mandates just 1% provision during construction, easing banks' project risks. HDB IPO valuation cut. HDFC trims HDB IPO valuation to 62,000 crore rupees due to RBI stake cap. IBC recovery improves. IBC recovery improves to 32.76% in Q4 FY25 from 31.39% in Q3. NBFC valuation overhang. Draft RBI norms may force HDFC Bank to cut NBFC stake by 50%. Online MSE resolution. ODR for delayed MSME dues to be launched next week for faster relief. Corporate finance. Adani Power acquisition. Adani Power to acquire Vidarbh unit for 4,000 crore rupees in cash deal. Dhunseri packaging push. Dhunseri to invest 2,240 crore rupees in packaging lines by 2029 expansion plan. Gentry stake sale. Gentry plans to offload 50% India stake, eyes large green energy deal. Reliance eyes Dhilapul. Reliance and Havells in talks for controlling stake in Whirlpool India, $1 billion deal. Wipro leases Mindspace. Wipro leases 3.8 lakh SQ foot in MMR, pays 2.5 crore rupees monthly rent. C promoter recapitalizes. C promoters recover 800 crore rupees, plan 2,237 crore rupees warrant fund infusion. International affairs. India-Croatia terror pact. Joint India-Croatia plan to disrupt terror funding, destroy global safe havens. India-GCC trade concern. India fears Hormuz shutdown may spike all freight, affect West Asia trade. Tax and compliances. AIC seeks GST exemption. AIC seeks GST removal on rural insurance to boost farmer coverage affordability. Tight container safety. India urges IMO to tighten cargo safety rules post repeated vessel fires. Investments and finance. Apple localizes machines. Apple partners with locals to make iPhone tools amid China import delays. Magic Fleet delivery surge. Magic Fleet aims to million monthly deliveries by FY26, onboard 1-liter riders. Maruti EV magnet issue. Maruti faces rare earth shortage by July, cuts EV production targets. Renewi raises $10 million. Renewi raises 86 crore rupees from APIs, 361 for Insurtech expansion. Varnam Port $3.5 billion debt. Varnam Port firm plans 30,000 crore rupees debt raise to fund mega build-out. Financial markets. Sensex down 83 PTS. Sensex dips 83 points to 81,362 as global cues trigger cautious investor trade. Crude near $78. Brent crude near $78, spike pressures India's oil import bill heavily. Gold falls 192 rupees. Gold dips 192 rupee to 98,864 rupees per 10 grams amid global rate jitters, strong dollar. Nifty ends 18 PTS lower. Nifty slips 19 points to 24,793, RBI rules, oil price volatility way down. Rupee.